Platzi, educación profesional efectiva.
Hello, everyone. I'm Waira Rojas, English Program Manager in English Academy, and today I'm going to share with you 5 words that you need to know in English to understand blockchain. But I'm not going to tell you the words. We are going to make this dynamic. I'm going to give you some hints, and I want you to try and guess the words with me. And if you know what they mean, share in the chat. We are going to be practicing English and learning very important words for blockchain. Let's start with the first one. And it starts with M. What do you think it can be? Only one letter. I'm going to give you a little bit more so you can guess better. This is a very important word. Esta es una palabra importantísima en blockchain. Si dijiste mining, muy bien. This is a very, very important word. And what is this? Mining is the process to create new Bitcoin or blocks to blockchains to verify transactions. Es la palabra que utilizamos para describir el proceso de crear Bitcoin. Así que una palabra súper importantísima. And if this is something you do, then you are a miner, right? Mining, miner. Let's go with the second one. And the second one is an acronym, ATH. Do you know what it stands for? What does the A stand for? If you said all, that's correct. All. What about the T? What does the T stand for? All things, all together. I'm sure many of you already said all time. What about the H? What does the H mean? All time. Very good. All-time high. And what is this? What is all-time high? Si lo traducimos es como todo el tiempo alto. ¿Qué es esto? Bueno, all-time high is the highest price that an asset has had in its history in the market. Es el precio más alto al que ha llegado un asset. Y si este es el all-time high, ¿cómo llamaríamos al más bajo? Think about it. All-time high, that's right. It would be all-time low. It's the opposite. Very important for you to know to identify those assets that you want to keep an eye on. Let's go with the next one. And the next one starts with A. Again, I'm giving you only one letter, so I'm going to help you a little bit more. Air. Air, what do you think is this word? Maybe some of you know it already. If you don't know it, it is airdrop. And what is airdrop? Okay, airdrop, it's a marketing campaign that distributes a specific token or cryptocurrency to an audience. Es una campaña para distribuir tokens y cryptocurrency a una audiencia específica. Algo más que quieres saber y, por supuesto, está en inglés, así que es importante que la conozcas en inglés. Let's go with the next one. The next one, it's 2 words, B and M. So what do you think those 2 words are? The first one, it's the name of an animal, bull. Bull, like toro en español, right? Bull. And what's the second one? Market. And what is the bull market? Un mercado de toro. ¿Qué es esto? Okay, the bull market, it's the market in which assets are increasing at a higher rate than other markets. So it's a market that you want to pay attention to, a good one. And what would be the opposite? ¿Qué sería lo opuesto de este mercado en el que va subiendo a una velocidad más alta? If it's bull market, de opuesto, otro animal. Esta vez no tiene una relación muy fija, pero también es el nombre de un animal. Bear market. When it's going, cuando está decreciendo, when it's decreasing. Okay? Very good. And let's go with the last one. It starts with fall. What word do you think it is? Think about it. It's also a familiar word, but in the blockchain world, fork doesn't refer to the thing we eat with. No, it refers to the changes that are made to a blockchain technology that create an alternative version. You know, like a fork. That's where the name comes from, right? It makes sense. It can also be called chain split. Very important for you to be familiar with these words. Pero por supuesto, estas palabras no son las únicas, son solo un comienzo para que te vayas familiarizando. So, I recommend you to keep learning more. Go to this course about Bitcoin and blockchain and keep learning. And of course, go to English Academy as well to keep improving your English and be able to be part of this very important market.
Tenemos un curso gratis solo para ti. Haz clic aquí y empieza las clases del curso de inglés en Platzi. Y si quieres saber más sobre inglés, haz clic en este video que seguro disfrutarás. Nunca pares de aprender. Dale clic, dale. ¿Y qué esperas para darle clic? Oye, y dale clic. En serio, dale clic.